Fuck you. Word. That's right. That's right. Fuck, you should be shaming yourself. You got a big dick, you don't know what to do with it. He got a little dick, and he know what to do with it. Fuck you. Fuck you. You got a big dick, couldn't even fuck me. He got a little dick, and he turned me on. He turned me out. Word. You know he roll like a pizza? He rolled me like a fucking pizza. With extra cheese on it. Fuck you. Ow. Yo, Stan, I'll be in the next car. Nah, I ain't fucking with this fucking big dick, don't know how to fuck motherfucker. Yeah, see that? See what started? Yo, don't put me on Facebook, yo.